Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make pesaret. Pesaret is more famous in Andhra side. It's an Andhra dish basically made of moong dal and adding a little bit of rice. So for pesaret, I'm going to soak 1 cup of green moong dal. I've added around quarter cup of raw rice. I'm going to soak it in water for 2 hours. So we'll see after 2 hours. After I'll be adding water in this and I'll soak this. Along with the soaked green gram dal and rice, it's been soaked for about 2 hours. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 to 2 teaspoons of jeera and a few pieces of ginger and 4 to 5 green chilies as per your spice levels. So I've ground this pesaret batter, that is the moong dal and the rice, into a smooth paste. Now I'm going to add salt as per taste. The pesaret batter is ready. You can add little bit of water either by adding water in the mixie jar and adding the batter to adjust the consistency. Now I'll show you how to prepare plain pesaret first. You can put a little bit of oil on the pan. Now I'll be adding the prepared pesaret batter. It's a very healthy dosa, a type of dosa. Moong dal dosa is also another name for it, because basically it has more of dal and very little bit of rice. Good for weight loss as well. This is allowing it to cook for a few minutes. Once it is almost cooked on one side for about 3 to 4 minutes, you can easily take it out, and you need to flip it and cook it on the other side as well. It is so thin, though it is made of dal, it is very thin. You can use either gingerly oil for cooking. If you don't like the taste, you can always add ghee, but we prefer using gingerly oil for cooking. Let this cook for 2 minutes and pesaret will be ready to be served. Now the pesaret is cooked. See, you can see I have actually kept it in simmer so that in my family people like it crisp, but if you like it soft, you can cook it on high flame as well. See, the pesaret is cooked nice and crisp. Now I'm going to show you how to make paneer pesaret. So this cannot be so crispy like the before one. I'm adding oil, a teaspoon of oil. And for the stuffing, I've actually added, you can use your own stuffing, but I have added paneer, some green chilies and coriander leaves. I'm going to put a little bit of salt and mix it well. So you can flip it first so that it gets cooked on the other side, and immediately in a few seconds you can flip it back so that you can add the prepared stuffing. This stuffing is more than enough, but I prefer to add a little bit of the prepared idli podi. The preparation of idli podi is given in the link below. It adds more taste to it. Add a little bit more of oil on top. Idli podi is nothing but the powder which goes along with idli dosas, also called as the gun powder for few people. So now the stuffing is, you can spread the stuffing evenly. It is very tasty. You can cook it in simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. After adding the paneer stuffing, please do not flip it, otherwise it will stick to the dosa pan. This pesaret will be a little bit thick because of the stuffing. In order to get the roasted effect and also to be more flavorful, I just smear a little bit of ghee on top. It's a very nutritious pesaret for the kids. Kids will love the taste. So now your pesaret is ready to be served. So the tasty plain pesaret as well as the paneer stuffed pesaret is served along with arachivita sambar, where I've given the link below how I prepared the arachivita sambar, and idli podi, for that also I've given the link below, and with mint, coriander, curry leaf, coconut chutney. So this is a great combination and I hope your family loves it. Please pass on your valuable comments, and if you like it, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.